Hello friends, hope you are doing great. So today is the third class which I am going to explain about the things which had happened first in agriculture. So as I said earlier, I will be giving the information in depth so that we can cover each and every thing in detail. That's the reason I have taken the points which are from the different sources, like from the internet especially. I have collected in depth so that you can know. I'm very sure that how many books you are reading, but still you can learn so much from this class. Okay, let us start our class. So the first blank is the domestication of animals. The first domesticated animals are dog, followed by sheep, and goat, followed by cow and pig. That's what I explained in the previous class. And the first cultivated crops in the world are wheat and barley. This one also I covered in the last class. So as we are going forward, we can know the new blanks. First hybrid PGNP, the other name is Red Gram, was released by ICRISAT in the year 1993. The first hybrid is ICPH8. So ICRISAT, the first two letters they use for this, and PH means PGN, P hybrid, H means hybrid, ICPH8. Then the next one is hybrid sunflower is BSH1 in the year 1980. What's the full form of BSH? This is Bangalore Sunflower Hybrid. So please keep in your mind why I am telling in detail so that you will remember. BSH means Bangalore Sunflower Hybrid 1 in the year 1980. The next one is first hybrid cotton released. The name is H4. This one is released in Cotton Research Station, which is Gujarat Agriculture University in the year 1970. Hope you know Gujarat Agriculture University now renamed as Navsari Agricultural University. Even this Cotton Research Station, those days they were calling like research farm, we can say. Then the next one is semi-dwarf variety of basmati rice was released by IARI called Pusa Basmati. Please remember, this is semi-dwarf variety of basmati rice. You know that it is very famous for its aroma. Then sorghum hybrid is called CSH1, which was released in 1964, followed by CSH2. So what is the full form of CSH1? CSH means coordinated sorghum hybrid 1. So do you know the father of sorghum hybrid? The father of sorghum hybrid is Ganga Prasad Rao. That's where I have written Ganga Prasad Rao. He was recently passed away in the year 2016. So the father of sorghum hybrid is Ganga Prasad Rao. The next one is the first viral disease observed in the crop tobacco. The name called leaf curl of tobacco in the year 1982. The country China. The next one is first plant parasitic bacteria was fire blight of apple. So this is the first parasitic bacteria they observed in the apple crop called fire blight of apple. This is one of the important disease even in apple crop. Then the sorghum high yielding variety. So please keep in your mind sorghum hybrid, this is sorghum high yielding variety, coordinated sorghum variety 1. The first sorghum high yielding variety is CSV1 in the year 1968. So first hybrid was released in the year 1964. After 4 years only they released variety 1968. Then the next one is first rice variety introduced into India. The variety is IR8 in the year 1962. So 1962, you know, that is the time where green revolution has started in our country. That's why they released IR8. Already I said without fertilizers, IR8 can give 5 tons per hectare. By adapting minimum management practices or applying fertilizers and all, it can give up to 10 tons per hectare. So that's the specialty of IR8. This is the prominent variety which had played major role in green revolution. This blank is very, very important. Then the next one is first developed dwarf variety of rice is TN1 in the year 1956. This is first developed dwarf of rice. Then the next one is first rice high yielding variety of India. So after we got TN1, then we developed in India the first high yielding variety by crossing with TN1 into T1N1, that is called Jaya. By crossing these two parents, they got Jaya. This is the local first high yielding variety, HYV we call in short form Jaya. This is the variety that we had in our country. Let us move to the next blank. First man-made cereal is triticale the cross between wheat and rye, RYE, wheat and rye. The output they named it as triticale. That's why they made it as man-made cereal. They released in the year 1875. This is very important blank in some of the books. I don't think they are covering this year. So please keep in your mind 1875 is the year which they released triticale, man-made cereal. Then the next one is maize hybrid. First maize hybrid is Ganga 101. The first maize hybrid variety is, hybrid is Ganga 101, which was released in the year 1961. Then the first country to adopt hybrid rice is China. The first hybrid rice adapted, the country is China. So far we studied two which are under China. First country to adopt hybrid rice is China, as well as the first viral disease observed is leaf curl in crop tobacco, that too in China. Then the next one is hybrid rice. First hybrid rice released in India is APRH1 and APRH2. So these are the simultaneously happened in the year 1901. What is the full form of APRH? Andhra Pradesh rice hybrid. Andhra Pradesh rice hybrid 1, Andhra Pradesh rice hybrid 2 in the year 1994. Then the next one is first sugarcane variety in our country is CO 205 in the years 1920s. So CO means Coimbatore. In Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. In the variety's name is CO 205, the first sugarcane variety. That too in 1920s, very long ago. Then tobacco hybrid. The first tobacco hybrid is GTH1 in the year 1987. Then the first safflower hybrid is DSH 129 in the year 1997. The first country to introduce zero tillage. So zero tillage is introduced by United States of America. This is also one of the important blank. The first systematic fungicide is carbaxin. First systematic fungicide is carbaxin. I was trying for the year when it was introduced, but I could not get. Then the next one is the first Director General of ICAR is Dr. BP Paul. How many of you know the full form of BP? I got that. Benjamin Peary. BANJAMIN PEARY. Benjamin Peary is the full form of BP. The first DG is Dr. BP Paul. Then the first president of ICAR is Muhammad Habibullah. Muhammad Habibullah. Then the first transgenic plant is tobacco by Farrelly in the year 1983. So then the next one is first herbicide used is 2,4-D in the year 1944. Very long ago. This is also one of the important blank. Then the transgenic plant that we know that first crop is tobacco, and in our country we are adopting cotton especially, but first transgenic plant is tobacco. So these are the some important blanks that we have to remember for the competitive exams. Hope you like the blanks which I have covered. The next class few more blanks I would like to cover from the same topic. Then thank you so much. If you like this video, please like video, share with your friends so that your friends also will be benefited. Thank you so much.